Friends, welcome to my channel Electrical Master. This video I'm going to explain about what are the major difference between the motor starters. If you are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Then you will never miss our updates. Let's go to the video. In the electrical industry, the starter is the major function because most of the electrical industries we are using the induction motor. We know the induction motor starting current is 6 to 7 times of full load current. So for reducing that starting current of induction motor, we need starter. And in industry there are different types of starters are available. See here, I am giving the maximum of 4 types of starters. These are the maximum used in the electrical industries. First one is DOL starter and star delta starter, and third BFD drives, and fourth soft starter. So now this video we will see what are the major difference between these 4 starter and where it is used in the electrical industry and what is the purpose we will see. The first is DOL starter. The name itself we know it's a direct online starter, and second is the star delta, and third VFD variable frequency drive, and fourth soft starter. The first difference is maximum rating of these starters. First DOL we can use up to 5 HP rating. It means it's like a small motor only we can run with this DOL starter. The reason is DOL does not reduce any starting current. That's why we are using only for the minimum capacity of the motor. It's preferred for the DOL starter. And second, star delta, it can be used maximum up to 20 HP. So 0 to 20 HP rating, you can prefer this star delta starter. And third, it is more than 20 HP, you can prefer the BFD drive. And BFD drive, it's especially the special purpose for to control the speed of the motor. Wherever you require the speed control application, then there is no chance at all, only VFD is the preferable one. And fourth is soft starter. Soft starter maximum we are using for more than 20 HP, and soft starter you can also be used for more than 400 HP also. So high capacity motor, wherever you want to reduce the starting current, it's preferable is soft starter. Now second point, how much current these starters are reducing while starting time of the induction motors. DOL we know it does not reduce any starting current, it directly just start the motor and stop the motor. And second, star delta starter, it is reducing the starting current up to 1/3 times of full load current. And third, VFD drive also reducing the starting current, and it does not exceed the starting current up to 110% of the rated current. So it will not allow the motor to take the starting current more than 110% of load current. And soft starter, it is also reducing the starting current as per our requirement. We can adjust the starting current. And third point, how it is start the motors. DOL, it just directly apply the voltage to the motor terminal and start and running the motors. And star delta we know there is two configuration. First is a star configuration and is a delta. So while starting time, motor start up with the star configuration, and while motor up to the rated speed, and it will change to the delta configuration. So like that way, star delta starter is start the motor. And third, VFD drive start the motor by gradually increase the frequency to control the speed of the motor. By controlling the frequency to adjust the speed of the motor to start and running. We know VFD, that formula speed control NS equal to 120F by P. Based on that formula only, VFD drive is working. And fourth, soft starter, motor start up and stop with a gradual speed. Apart from the other 3 starter, soft starter is starting the motor with a gradual speed increase and gradual speed decrease of the shutdown time. And fourth one, speed control. DOL starter does not have any speed control. Once you will start the motor, it will run at a full speed only up to when you are pressing the stop button. And start delta, that is also does not have any speed control. VFD drive, only this VFD drive, it's having start, stop and complete operation with the speed control. It means while you can start the motor also, you can adjust the speed of the motor. Same time when you shut down the motor at time, that is also you can adjust the speed. While running complete operation, that time also you can vary the speed like 1000 rpm, 1500, 600 rpm, whatever it is you need as per your requirement you can adjust. So complete facilities given by VFD drive. And soft starter only have during the starting time and shutdown time only you can control the speed of the motor. And fifth point is the cost. DOL starter is cheaper than all other starter. That's why most of the industry places, whether the HP is less than 5 HP, mostly preferable is DOL starter because cost is very low. Star Delta starter is costlier compared to the DOL. VFD drive is very expensive because VFD drive it's required a lot of auxiliary component, so its cost will be very high. Soft starter it's expensive compared to the VFD drive. So if you have high HP motor without needing any speed control, means better is soft starter. You have high HP motor with the speed control application is needed, you can choose VFD drive. The next difference is starting torque. DOL starter having high starting torque and Star Delta it's having low starting torque. And VFD drive it is also having high starting torque, and soft starter that is also having starting torque gradually increase with the speed. So whenever the start the motor gradually increase, starting torque also gradually increase. And next is the design and the size of the starter. DOL starter is very simple design and compact, so you can easily put any switchgear panel without any modification, easily it will be adapted. But Star Delta starter it's required more space because it's need 3 contactors and other auxiliaries, so it is need big places. And VFD drive is completely different than the other starter, so it's required more spaces. For example, like a high HP motor, you have to put separate control transformers and other auxiliary like a frequency filters also you need for the VFD drives. That's why it's required more space. And soft starter it's an electronic starter, it's also compact in the simple design, so less space is enough. And next is the application of the starters. This DOL starter we can use for the small capacity and the small load application, we can use DOL. And Star Delta starter you can use up to only 20 HP, that is also low starting application. Wherever if you are using the low starting application, the Star Delta starter is preferable. And VFD is definitely it will use for the speed control application. Soft starter you can use it for the high HP motor to reducing the starting current. And final point is that how much the electrical energy saving for this starter. DOL does not save any energy because it starts up with the full load current, so no energy saving. Star Delta it's less energy saving compared to other starter because 1/3 times it's reducing full load current. And VFD you can get the full energy saving because you are completely control the motors from beginning to end. Soft starter it's moderate energy saving compared to VFD drive because we can control only start and shutdown operation, while running operation it consumes the full load. So these are the major difference between these starters. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt you can write it in the comment, and if you really like this video please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.